Evaluate sin square 60 degrees plus 2 tan 45 degrees minus cos square 30 degrees. Sin square 60 degrees plus 2 tan 45 degrees minus cos square 30 degrees. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, that is root 3 by 2 whole square plus 2 into tan 45 1 minus cos 30 root 3 by 2, that is root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 3 by 4 plus 2 into 1 2 minus root 3 by 2 whole square, that is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 cancel 2. If tan alpha is equal to 5 by 12, find the value of secant alpha. Given tan alpha is equal to 5 by 12 is equal to vertical side by base. V is equal to 5K, B is equal to 12K. Here angle is alpha, A, B, C. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to AB is equal to 12K, that is 12K whole square, plus BC is equal to 5K, 5K whole square. AC square is equal to 12K whole square, that is 144K square, plus 5K whole square, 25K square. AC is equal to root of 144K square plus 25K square, 169K square. AC is equal to 169 root, that is 13, root K square, that is K. AC is equal to 13K. So therefore, secant alpha is equal to reciprocal of cos alpha, that is 1 by cos alpha is equal to hypotenuse by base is equal to hypotenuse, that is 13K divided by base 12K is equal to 13 by 12.